even know bakit ang daming drama. Ang daming drama talaga. Hindi na lang magtrabaho, di ba? Puro na lang drama ng ganyan. At saka talagang napakagaganid. No? Very, very, very greedy. Dapat kasi dinadivest mo yung mga interest mo, mga business interest mo when you enter government. Di ba? But he did not divest. Si Jay Ruiz, as far as I know, did not divest business interest. Kasi nga, pwede mong gamitin ang connection mo sa gobyerno, ang poder mo, para sa'yo. Hindi yun, hindi pwede yun. Diba? Hindi pwede yun. Magkaliwanagan ulit tayo doon, no? Bawal yun. Dapat para sa taong bayan ka. Yun lang. Pero paano mo gagawin yun? Kung mismo yung pangulo, yung leader mo, no? Ganun na ganun, eksakto yung ginagawa. Paano yun? There's no moral compass anymore. Kasi nga, during my time, our moral compass was PRRD, who lived it, no? That incorruptibility, that simplicity, that humility. We lived it. I told you. Pag kumakain kami, ang pagkain talaga namin, piniritong manok, piniritong isda, isang piraso pa, alam mo yon, ganon. Tapos may sabaw, may kanin, may dessert, may gulay, ganon. Ganon lang kasimple. Tapos sasabihin niya talaga, underscores it. He says, okay naman yan, pero kasi hindi natin pera yan, pera ng taong bayan. Paulit-ulit yan, no? Pero kung hindi mo naririnig yon sa principle mo, tapos appointee ka, tapos ang dami mong hawak na resources, wala kang moral, wala kang compass, wala kang direction. Unlike PRRD kept a tight rein on all of us, no? He ran a tight ship. There was no doubt that he was the leader. And if he found out na ikaw ay nagnakaw, naku, alam mo, magtago ka na lang na. Kasi nakakita ako na nanipa siya ng undersecretary na nahuli niya ng nanakaw, tapos resign.